welcome. Today I am talking about why wellness often feels so complicated and what you can do to simplify it. So, here's what we are talking about. If you're feeling overwhelmed by all the conflicting advice, then this live session is for you. If you're watching this live, you can also share your questions and I will check so that make sure that I answer your questions. Today we are talking about uncomplicating wellness and three simple shifts that you can make to get this going. So I'm just going to check my audio. Yeah. Okay, we are all set. Also, if you're watching it on replay, you can put your questions in the comments below. So today we are talking about how too much of wellness advice can actually hurt you. Of course, we need to follow certain guidelines. It's helpful to know what to do on a step-by-step basis, because especially if you are dealing with a complex chronic health condition like autoimmune disease. But what happens is that when you have too much of information coming towards you, too much of advice, then there's often decision fatigue and there's often overwhelm. So you don't really know which direction to move to, and often people just remain stuck and they're not able to take any steps at all. And the other thing that happens is that the stress from perfectionism in the goal to reach perfect, the perfect body, the perfect, to follow the instructions perfectly can also a lot of times keep us stuck. So it really doesn't help us. And if we have an overcomplicated routine, if you have a complicated routine, then that can actually cause unnecessary stress that you can do without. And of course, then you also end up ignoring what your body really needs, right? You're not able to, with all that noise that is coming at you, you're not able to really tune in and understand what your body, unique body's requirements are and what it needs to heal. So this is something that simplifying your wellness routine can help you deal with, and it can make your health outcomes far more effective. It can make your entire life much less stressful, enhance your energy levels, your vitality, because what you're doing is you're focusing on core health principles such as nutrition, movement, sleep. These are the core foundation. Food always comes first, but these are the core foundations of building good health. So you need to be able to focus on this first. They cannot come later. They cannot come at the end or in the middle. They have to come first. Without this, you will actually not see many results. And I mentioned that listening to your body. So this is something else that you need to do. So when you simplify your routine, you understand how to listen to your body, because you're actually cutting out all that noise. So you're able to create that body awareness that is so important to see consistent health outcomes. And of course, decluttering your routine. I mean, I'm using this word deliberately here. In fact, I am talking about this in more details in a podcast episode, number 46 of Embrace Your Healing Journey podcast. If you haven't, it's going to come out next Tuesday. So I talk about decluttering your wellness routine, because it's this clutter keeps us stuck and we don't know what to listen to, what to ignore. We do end up doing a lot of unnecessary stuff which is not really helping us, or maybe they helped us in the past and they're not really serving us anymore. Either way, it becomes a problem. So okay, I was just checking, there was an issue here. Just going to close this. Okay. So this is what I wanted to share, and the three simple shifts that you can take. This is the foundation of developing a sustainable health and wellness routine. So these are the three simple shifts that you can make today, no matter where you are. One is nutrition, of course. Food is medicine. We know that in chronic, especially in the case of chronic health conditions, and also to prevent one from occurring in the future, we need to focus on food as medicine. So our body cannot manufacture nutrients out of thin air like vitamins or minerals. We need to get it from our food. And in order to do that, we need to focus on whole unprocessed foods, natural unprocessed foods, right? I'm not talking about uncooked, but unprocessed. So whether it's vegetables, whether it's fruits, whether it's healthy fats, healthy protein, it's more about that rather than the diet that you need to be following. Of course, if you have an existing condition, if you have an autoimmune disease, for example, you will need to go off gluten and dairy, because those are the two foods, especially gluten, which actually continues sorry carries on the vicious cycle of immune activation, and that is the reason you need to take off gluten. But apart from that, if you are looking to getting started with your health and wellness routine and simplifying it, this is an area. Like, just make sure that you're having whole unprocessed foods. You're not focused so much on the label. So more, rather than focusing on whether it's a keto or a paleo diet or a gluten-free diet, you need to understand that just focusing on whole unprocessed foods will help you. The second one is movement. Again, this is again, I find that I get asked which type of exercise should I be doing, what's going to help me. It's always the case that a variety will always help. Your body needs to be moved in different ways, and movement is much more important than going to the gym to exercise per se. It's about pleasurable and enjoyable activities where you're also having fun. It's not just about doing workout for the sake of working out. And that's something that I shared in a Instagram live Instagram video that I had posted, and it's sort of taken off, because we don't really realize this, that we don't need to step into the gym to actually have a proper workout. However, yes, as we grow older, we tend to lose muscle mass, so maybe we will need to add in strength training and weight training, but let's not complicate it unless we have to. Let's keep it simple, and whether it's walking, yoga, dancing, just find joy in movement, just get started. And the last simple shift is sleep. I just mentioned that sleep is so important, that you need to have a calming bedtime routine, and you need to prioritize rest. In today's day and age, it's not going to happen on its own. There's just too much of information, too much of distraction from our gadgets, from our environment, the light, the artificial light that we have on all the time in the evenings. All of that is impacting our body's ability to heal and repair while we are resting, and we are not even getting the number of hours that we need. And even if you do everything else right, if you don't get this one thing in place, you will not see sustainable results. You will probably not even see the results that you were hoping for. So you can do everything else correctly. You can have the right diet. You can take a lot of supplements. You can do other forms of biohacking, but you may not see the results that you wanted. And again, I'm talking about this a bit deeper in the podcast episode 46, which is coming out next Tuesday. So make sure that you check that out on your favorite podcast app. And by simplifying your wellness routine, what happens is that you actually end up seeing some of these benefits. So you have enhanced energy and vitality simply because you've cut out the stress of these complicated routines, right? So by doing that itself will free up your mind, your mental clutter, and give you some peace. The other thing that happens is that you see consistency. When it's easy to follow, you are able to stay more consistent, right? The reason that I'm able to consistently move my body is because I do multiple things that I find enjoyable. I mean, it's going to be different for each of us. So I find dancing enjoyable. I find walking enjoyable. I find doing a form of ballet for exercise enjoyable. Belly dancing enjoyable. So I do all of that, and I mix and match because I need variety. I do foam rolling as well. So similarly, you need to find different things that bring you joy. So if it's swimming, then you need to swim and maybe incorporate some more weights or something else. If you like jogging or running, so of course that is something that you should focus on a lot, and add in some other things for flexibility and stretching. So these are the ways that you can incorporate some of these pleasurable activities, enjoyable activities, and that's when you will keep going no matter what. So you are then tuning into your, and what happens is that the deeper the connection that you have with your body, then you're able to also tune into your body. So these are the three simple shifts. One is these are the three things that happen. So one is enhanced energy, the other one is consistency, and then it's a deeper connection with your body, simply because you're able to tune in more closely to your body's needs. So simplifying your approach to wellness does not just make your life easier, it also makes it healthier. Make no mistake about it. Do not underestimate the power of simplifying your wellness routine, simplifying your life. It's cutting out the non-essential parts. It's focusing on all those things which are actually important, and which is going to move the needle. It's not easy to do that, but it is possible. And if you want help with that, I invite you to join the Autoimmune Breakthrough Masterclass. It's about reclaiming energy and simplifying your wellness routine. It's going to take place on the 28th of March. It's a free masterclass. It's a 2-hour, quite an intense masterclass that I'm doing for the first time. And I'll be sharing the link below. Make sure that you sign up. I'll be sharing some tidbits before that, so that you can sort of get going. I know it's a long way off because I'm traveling almost for a month in between. That's the reason it's in March end. So you can sign up to secure your spot. I'll be sharing the link below. If you have any questions about today's session, make sure that you drop it in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the masterclass and in the next live session right here. Let's simplify wellness, amplify life together.